What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jay Ford and I'm back with another one. Thank y'all for coming through, man. First I got to shout out to all y'all that's been subscribing to the channel, man. I really appreciate it. Finally got your boy over 100 subscribers. We're gonna keep this thing rolling. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna keep this thing rolling. Still gonna keep the content coming. Like I say, we got some big things planned in the future. Just waiting for everything to come in, man. But yeah, so let's get straight into this topic of this video today. So what we're gonna do today, we pretty much is just gonna I got a package here, came in the mail today. We're gonna install these LED bulbs and the license plate, by the license plate. And so I do have the LED bulb. Damn, it's hot in here. I do have the LED bulbs for the third brake light and the reverse light that's up there, but I'm not gonna install that today. I'm just gonna wait because I'm thinking about actually tinting that instead of just buying a whole nother brake light. So I'm gonna wait to do that. We're gonna go ahead and do this install real quick. We're gonna see how they look. Let's open the package up and see how it looks first. So as you can see, we got the LASFit LED lights. These are for the third brake light, and this is for the license plate bulb. I want to show you guys what they look like before. You can't really see it because it's real bright out here today. I should have did it earlier this morning. So I just popped one of them in. Let's see what it looks like real quick. See if it works. Oh man, that is a crazy difference. Alright guys, I am back. I literally stopped everything I was doing, waited till the sun went down a little bit just so I can show you guys the difference. The LASFit, they look really good. So I'm also gonna go ahead and show you how to install it as well. But man, they look really good. It's like really bright. Let me get done talking and show you. Look at this. Let me tap it. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Big difference. Let's go ahead and change the other one. And it's really simple to do. It's not really that hard. You just pull the bulb out. I've seen some people, now the bulb tends to get a little stuck from time to time. Yeah, the bulb was a little stuck. If you got a flathead screwdriver, that'll work. That'll help get it out. But what I saw some people do, they got the flathead screwdriver and they lifted up on the here, and they took this out and pulled the bulb out that way. But it's actually a way you could do it where you don't have to go through all that. Honestly, you just go up under the truck. Right up under the truck, right here is where you pretty much go in and unscrew it. You switch it and then screw the bulb out. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get it out real quick. You get this right here and stick it on in there just like that. Once you get it, like I say, if you have to use a flathead screwdriver, that'll help getting it out. But let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty bright there. I love that. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody watching. And also for those of you that have subscribed to the channel, I appreciate you for doing that. I think I might give away a set of these bulbs for me reaching over 100 subs. Maybe if we get 150, I'll give away a set of these bulbs. But anyway, for those of you that have subscribed, I appreciate you. For those of you that haven't, please go down and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button as well. Got plenty more content dropping on the way. If you have certain content you'd like to see, let me know. If you want to see certain things of the truck so far, what I've done, just let me know. I'll link some of the other videos down again. But for now, catch y'all on the next one.